Welcome to Wander Wisdom. Today, I will take you to one of the most enchanting Italian lakes, Lake Orta. You will see it in an unusual setting. During winter, when the sky is clearer, the colors more magical, and you might even catch a glimpse of snow on the nearby hills and the alpine range. Are you ready to embark on this journey with me? Let's begin our tour, starting from Pella, a charming municipality that resembles the Cinque Terre in terms of colors and intimacy. It's an intimate and distinctive place, like all the villages that line the shores of this beautiful lake. The mountain we see in the background is Mount Madarone, a destination for both summer and winter tourism, with its ski resort. The spire we see in the background is the Moorish-style minaret of Villa Crespi, owned by the renowned Italian chef, Antonino Cannavacciuolo. We can also observe the arched bridge of the historic railway and resilient athletes rowing even in winter. We then pass through the Gulf of Bagnera, a cove that is sheltered from the lake's rough weather, where the water is usually very calm. The winter campground, maintaining its charm, hosts hundreds of tourists during the summer. From time to time, you can catch sight of historic villas with an ancient charm and the boats of fishermen gracefully and majestically navigating the lake even in winter. The Hotel San Rocco, located in the historic center of Orta San Giulio, and finally, the majestic Isola di San Giulio. Legend has it that the island was originally a pagan place of worship dedicated to the goddess of fertility. One of the most fascinating legends involves a dragon that, according to tradition, terrorized the island. San Giulio managed to tame the dragon and drove it away from the island, making it safe for monks and believers. Sailing these waters provides an incredible sense of peace, fulfillment, and satisfaction at any time of the year. It is perfectly normal, then, for a renowned chef to choose such a marvelous lake as the primary location for his hospitality, and even as a place to live. Many other historical figures have also chosen it as their residence. On the shores of this historic lake, navigating it from the inside, you can catch glimpses of docks and unseen views from the outside, with vegetation that changes throughout the year, offering always unique and different colors and landscapes. With its various tourist ports and highly regulated navigation, it is one of the lakes with microbiologically pure water across the Italian territory. It is suitable for swimming, and the water temperature can reach almost 30 degrees during the summer, attracting tourists from all over the world. It is home to intimate and humble residences, as well as majestic and imposing villas. The tranquility of its waters allows for vacations in complete relaxation and mental peace. It is home to intimate and humble residences, as well as majestic and imposing villas. The tranquility of its waters allows for vacations in complete relaxation and mental peace. When the sky is clear, you can catch sight of the Italian alpine range, with the magnificent Monte Rosa standing out. It is named for the pink color it takes on during the light of dawn. Today, Orta San Giulio is a renowned tourist destination, famous for its well-preserved historic center, picturesque streets, welcoming squares, and panoramic views of the Isola di San Giulio. Tourism plays a key role in the city's economy. Orta San Giulio represents a harmonious blend of history, culture, and natural beauty, and its charming atmosphere makes it a must-visit stop for those exploring the Lake Orta region. Romantic restaurants, both on the mainland and on the island itself, dot the hill leading to the monastery, with the romantic backdrop of Mount Madarone and the ever-present ferry operators shuttling visitors from the mainland to the island year-round. Every stone is preserved as it once was, thanks to the Ministry of Fine Arts, and ancient culture meets modern art, with frequent floating art installations on the lake. Many artists choose the location of this lake to exhibit their works. There are various outdoor areas that allow visitors to have lunch or enjoy a floating aperitif directly on the lake's water. It is an environment that hosts a unique ecosystem, encompassing various landscape styles, from the water to the mountains, and different fauna and animals that live exclusively on this lake. In the summer months, there is no shortage of sports activities such as wake surfing and surfing on the waves created by motorboats. Every corner represents a glimpse of paradise on this lake, with significant trees that have found their stable century-old roots here. There are also several small, welcoming villages, hosting year-round residents and millions of tourists who come for weekends or the summer. Pella, with its roots tracing back to the Roman era, evokes an atmosphere similar to the Cinque Terre due to its landscape and vibrant colors. With its tranquil atmosphere and picturesque shores, constitutes a hidden gem with some unexplored hamlets. Thanks to its breathtaking landscapes, such as the towers and the Basilica of Madonna del Sasso, it becomes the cradle of this magical environment, much loved by those who enjoy sailing on boats. The summer regattas add excitement to the atmosphere. In conclusion, Lake Orta is a delightful place to visit, one of the most beautiful in the world, with its magical shores and the numerous rivers that make it the most interesting spring-fed lake in Italy. Indeed, it receives the input of fresh and clean water from the surrounding mountains, both through rivers and underground channels, with a unique stream, the Nigolia, that channels the water northwards into the Omegna area. Areas where time seems to have stood still, giving way to untouched nature, where swans and other creatures, with their gracefulness, provide pleasant sensations of peace and harmony. The lake, thanks to the cleanliness of its crystal-clear waters, hosts various swimming competitions throughout the year, including a significant 15-kilometer event on a global scale, the Ocean Man. Additionally, its various beaches with natural white sand imported by rivers are truly enchanting places. Some are freely accessible to the public, others are within private establishments, and some can only be reached by water. So, explore the enchanting beauty of Lake Orta, Pella, and the captivating Isola di San Giulio. Embark on a journey filled with water sports such as wave surfing, kayaking, paragliding, and sailing. Indulge in the island's excellent cuisine at its charming restaurants. Discover historic villages along the pristine shores and swim in the clear, clean waters. Immerse yourself in a world of tranquility and adventure, inviting you to experience the unique allure of this Italian gem. I hope you enjoyed being able to glimpse this magical lake in winter, a gem halfway between Milan and the Alps, located in an area rich in history and other magical locations in beautiful Italy to discover. You've seen winter footage, a time when tourists take a break and you can see the lake in its true essence. But know that you can visit it all year round. In the summer, it will offer unique features with different colors and opportunities to immerse yourself in history, sports, culture, and excellent local food for unforgettable moments.
Hey there, fantastic folks! If you loved this video, hit subscribe below and join our awesome community. Don't forget to ring that notification bell. You won't want to miss what's coming up next. Big shout out to our current subscribers, you rock! And if you're not part of the crew yet, hit subscribe now. Show some love by giving this video a thumbs up. Your likes fuel my motivation. Thanks for hanging out. Can't wait to catch you in the next one. Stay awesome and take care.